This would not be my Olympic sport. Hey campers, did you know you can make this delicious snack mix on your Blackstone? Let me show you how. All right, I'm just going to set my bowl right on top of here. Obviously, my heat is not on. First, I'm going to add some of the rice cereal. I'm also going to add some Cheez-Its. My son loves these round pretzels. I don't know if you've ever had them, but they are pretty delicious. Do you like the pretzels in Chex Mix? Because I usually don't, but I think these are going to be better. We're going to add some bugles. Do you remember when those used to actually fit on your finger? No, that doesn't work anymore. And of course, you have to have nuts. I bought the dry roasted. All right, let's melt some butter. Okay, I just had to go do like 10 other things before I put this on here, so it is hot. And I am sweating, but we're going to finish this. We finished what we started. 1 stick of butter. We're going to melt that. It's so hot. All right, now we're going to add some all-purpose seasoning, going with the Blackstone. There. And then some garlic. There's probably garlic in that seasoning already, but garlic makes everything better. Is that true? And a little onion powder. And just for fun, we're going to try a little mild buffalo wing sauce. We don't want to make it too spicy for anybody that doesn't want spicy. And some Worcestershire. 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 Worcestershire sauce. That all stirred up. We're going to dump this over this. I'm going to try the toss method. I'm just going for a light coating. You can do as much or as little as you would like. And you can always add more seasoning on top. We're going to dump it on. We're just going to spread it all out. We're going to toss it often. So we don't want anything to sit on there for too long. And make sure that heat stays low. If you have to, you can always turn your burners off for a short bit and then turn them back on just to keep that heat down. So what do you think you would add to this mix? Chip clip. I don't even know what this looks like. I don't care. Maybe Blackstone should make hair ties. All right, I think we're just about done. I always love when I have a reason to use this. Okay, ready? No.